Hello students, teleport or taxation with a page rank. In this topic we'll understand how teleport or taxation will help to achieve the page rank. Now we will understand with example. We have a graph which consists of 4 nodes A, B, C, D and C is our spider trap. Okay, so corresponding matrix will be drawn for A having connected to B, C, T. So we are taking 1 by 3, 1 by 3. And there is no self loop, we are taking 0. Same numerical we are continuing. So we will use some teleport formula. Okay, so we got the formula as V dash is equals to beta mv plus 1 minus beta e by n. So what is beta here? Beta is a chosen constant usually in the range of 0.8 to 0.9. What is E? E is a vector of all ones with the appropriate number of components. So it is a vector with all ones, or you can say the matrix with the all ones. What is N? N is the number of nodes in the wave graph. What is V? V is the link matrix represented from the wave graph, which we already know. What is a V dash? V dash is a new and calculated page rank matrix. That's where at the end we get the V dash. And in a subsequent iterations, V dash will be replaced at the place of V, and V dash is replaced by V double dash, and we'll go for 20-25 iterations for the same. Let's understand it with the example. We assume that a beta value is a 0.8 and we know that V value is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 because we have 4 nodes in a given graph. So we'll consider 1 by 4. Now we already know in the formula we have beta, m and v. So we consider this beta and m. Beta value 0.8 is multiplied inside this matrix. We get these all numbers 0, 4 by 15, 4 by 15, 4 by 15 and subsequently we get the other elements of the matrix, and we will have multiplied by v plus our formula says 1 minus beta e by n. We know this is matrix is all ones. 1 minus beta means there is a point 1 minus 0.8 we get it to 0.2 and 0.2 means 1 by 5, and we know that number of nodes are n, that is a 4. So it will be 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 which comes down to 1 by 20. So all elements will become in the matrix 1 by 20. Now this matrix is multiplied with the V. Okay, this matrix is multiplied by with the V and plus we add this matrix to the result. We know that multiplication between this matrix and the V matrix, we get the again columnar matrix with the 4 rows and 1 column, and this particular also having the same dimension, so we can add it very easily. We'll get a result as 9 by 16, 13 by 60, 25 by 60 and 13 divided by 60. Subsequently we do the calculation and we get this result, and again we get this is our V dash, this is our V double dash, and then we'll find out the V3, or some says, and we get the another result, and we get the subsequently after 20-25 iterations we get this result. Okay, what are the sub problems with the page rank? Major generic popularity of page, bias against topic sensitive authorities. So we have another solution for that is the topic sensitive page ranking, or topic specific page ranking is there, which we'll study later on. Uses a single measure of importance, other models of importance like hubs and authority, where we only consider only one type of links, only in links are considered, outlinks are not considered. Susceptible to link spam, artificial link topography created in order to boost the page's rank. So rather than going with those problem of page ranking, we use the trust rank. These are the some problems, and we have very typical solutions available with us. Thank you.